How to change default Notes account on iPhone. To get started, first of all unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. From here, locate the Settings app and tap on it. In the Settings page, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Then, tap on Notes. On the Note Settings page, scroll if needed and tap on Default Account. A list of available accounts appears, including iCloud, on my iPhone, or email accounts. Tap on the account you want to set as the default for new notes. As you can see, iCloud has already been set as your default account. A checkmark appears next to the selected account to confirm the change. Following these steps, you can easily change default Notes account on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.